Hey guys, how's it going today? After putting the Funhang electric bike through its paces for a couple of weeks, I can confidently say that it offers a surprisingly enjoyable riding experience, especially for its price point. As someone who uses bikes for a mix of commuting, weekend cruising, and the occasional off-road detour, I found this e-bike to be a well-rounded choice for anyone looking to ease into electric cycling without breaking the bank. One of the first things that caught my attention was the overall design. The frame has a clean, modern look with internal cabling that gives it a more refined appearance. It doesn't scream budget e-bike, and the build quality felt solid during my rides. The frame is lightweight but durable, and I didn't experience any rattling or flex, even when riding over uneven pavement or light gravel paths. The motor is a 350W rear hub unit, and while it's not the most powerful I've ridden, it's definitely strong enough to provide a noticeable boost, especially on inclines or against strong headwinds. I mainly use the pedal assist mode, which has multiple levels to choose from. The assist kicks in smoothly and naturally. There's no jarring start or lag when pedaling. On flatter roads, I was comfortably cruising at around 18-20 mph without much effort. The throttle feature was also convenient when I needed a quick push from a stoplight or when I wanted to give my legs a break. Battery life was a pleasant surprise. The 36V lithium battery provided enough juice to get me through several short trips and a longer weekend ride before needing a recharge. I averaged around 30 to 40 miles on a single charge using a mix of pedal assist and throttle, though heavier. Use of the throttle alone brought that down slightly. The battery is removable, which made charging easy. I usually took it inside at night to plug in. The ride quality itself is quite smooth. The front suspension fork helped soak up smaller bumps and uneven surfaces, making city riding much more comfortable. The seat was decently padded for stock, and I didn't feel sore even after longer rides. The 26-inch tires gave a nice balance between stability and maneuverability, and they had good traction in both dry and mildly wet conditions. Braking is handled by mechanical disc brakes on both the front and rear. They're responsive and gave me confidence during quick stops. I did have to adjust them after the first few rides, but once dialed in, they performed consistently well. Assembly was straightforward. Most of the major components were already installed, and the included instructions were clear enough that I had the bike fully set up in about 45 minutes. I appreciated that the necessary tools were included. If I had to nitpick, I'd say the LED display is pretty basic. It shows battery level and assist mode, but doesn't offer speed or trip data. For casual use, it's perfectly functional, but more advanced riders might miss having more detailed metrics. Overall, the Funhang electric bike impressed me with its performance, ease of use, and value. It's a great option for commuting, casual, cruising, or just enjoying the extra boost on daily rides. For someone like me who values practicality and comfort with a touch of electric fun, this bike hits the mark. Highly recommended. If you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.